You're probably here looking for a high quality score for your footage to make that greatest impact on your audience. Well, you've come to the right place. I'm James Emily, and I'm a film composer, music producer, keyboardist, and also a visual designer. For the past 15 years, I have dedicated myself to the art of making high quality music for all kinds of media, including short films, web series, commercials, music videos, and feature-length films. I make music with emotional drive, texture, and depth. My experience allows me to understand how a scene would be driven by the music, but not dominated. And I also understand how music can be a phrase device that will complement the emotional texture of a scene. I can work with a lot of notes, or I can also be given just an idea for a scene and then create ideas, multiple ideas for you as the director. What you hear, then I would love to meet up with you and have a 30-minute introductory chat about some of the ideas you have for your next project. So get that camera and happy filming. I'll see you on the other side.